Hello art lovers! Our subject for today is ornament cabbage or kale. Our colors are lemon yellow, yellow ochre, sap green, viridian green, and wine red. We will start painting from the center of the cabbage and work it around by using the negative painting technique. We drop wine red pigment and slightly spread it to form the middle leaf. Work on the overlapping leaves by changing the color from dark red to light pink and then green. The transition of the color from red to green is by gradual painting with heavy to light coloring. Then, dropping heavily to the next leaves as to where the negative technique applies. We color lemon yellow as our base to form the crinkled edge, and this is also our guide to drop heavy colors on the overlapping leaves. Paint the veins of each leaf branching to the end. In this painting, you will learn several layering techniques and their effects. On some leaves, I use a slight blue for value and hues effects. We color the overlapping leaves slightly different from each other in shades. The more the leaves far from the center, the more it gets darker. Painting the veins. There are two ways we paint the veins. First, we paint the veins using the drawing or lines. We illustrate this already to our first 5 leaves closer to the center. But on the remaining leaves, the negative technique comes in. We paint around the main veins of each leaf first, then the second layer on the smaller veins next. It is a repeating process in this painting. The layering and the negative techniques both have beautiful effects, and this is a perfect application in this particular subject. I'll let you watch till the end. I promise it's just a short video, but it's fun to watch and see our finished product. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy and hope you will have a nice painting day. It's Jelly Starns. Daghang salamat. Hey sugar. Hey baby. Do you want some treat? Huh? I'll give you some treat. Okay? Alright, go. Okay, she already run for the treat.